Google Pixel 2 XL smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 6.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1440 pixels by 2880 pixels at a PPI of 538 pixels per inch. Google Pixel 2 XL price in India starts from Rs. 64,999. The Google Pixel 2 XL is powered by 1.9 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Google Pixel 2 XL packs a 12.2 megapixel primary camera on the rear and 8 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Google Pixel 2 XL runs Android 8.0.0 and is powered by a 3520 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 157.90 by 76.70 by 7.90, height x width x thickness, and weigh 175.00 grams. The Google Pixel 2 XL is a single SIM, GSM, smartphone that accepts a nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope and barometer.